Once upon a time in a cozy forest, lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known for being friendly and always willing to help others. One sunny morning, as he was collecting nuts, he noticed his friends, Benny the bunny and Lily the bird, struggling to build their homes. Sammy approached them with a cheerful smile and asked, "Can I help you build your homes?" Benny and Lily were surprised and grateful for Sammy's offer. With his nimble paws and quick thinking, Sammy gathered twigs, leaves, and helped arrange them into cozy nests for his friends. He even showed Benny how to dig a burrow for added protection. As days passed, news of Sammy's kindness spread throughout the forest. Animals from all around came to Sammy for advice and assistance. From helping Mrs. Hedgehog find her lost quills to guiding Mr. Turtle to a better sunbathing spot, Sammy was always ready to lend a hand. One evening, a heavy storm swept through the forest. Sammy's well-built nest remained untouched, but many others were damaged. Without hesitation, Sammy opened his home to his friends, providing them shelter until the storm subsided. The forest animals learned a valuable lesson from Sammy, that kindness and helpfulness are worth more than all the nuts in the world. They realized that by working together and being there for one another, they could overcome any challenge. And so, Sammy the squirrel's legacy of kindness and generosity continued to inspire generations of forest creatures, teaching them the true meaning of friendship and unity.